tell me, baby, I've been waiting for.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Brooke. I was not going to film anything today. However, this morning I worked out, went for a walk, and then showered. And then I was like, okay, well, while I'm on top of my game, I'm gonna go ahead and put some keratin oil in my hair. Everything's gonna be fantastic. And well, it basically looks like I took canola oil or olive oil and just put it all through my hair. It looks so oily and I'm pissed because I literally just washed it. I washed it and put this in. And that's why my hair is up. I had to do multiple like WebEx calls or like Zoom calls today for work with this. Yes, I'm pissed. So now it's 5:30. I am done with work. I am done with this embarrassment. Okay. Let me show you, okay? I couldn't do anything with my hair, so yes, it's like all weird and stuff. Do you see how it's piecing together? Do you see how it looks like all grungy and gross? Do you see this? Ugh. Also, wow, that is not blended whatsoever. Oh, and what is happening? Okay, well, I put on bronzer today and then I try to take it off and things are just looking wild, so let's ignore that. I'm about to take it all off anyway. But, oh my god, this looks so gross. It looks so gross. So gross. And it hasn't even been 12 hours since I washed it. And it worked out before I washed it. So this was squeaky clean. I threw in some, oh my god. It looks so gross. Okay, so I'm gonna have to wash my hair anyway. So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna make the most of it. I'm going to coat my hair in keratin oil, and I'm gonna do it like a hair mask situation. So I'm just gonna completely coat it, tie it up. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it overnight. I do have like one of those like shower cap things that I could wear, but I move around a lot at night. I kind of feel like it'd come off. Oh my god, this looks so gross. Okay, I feel like it'd come off and then maybe the oil would stain my pillow. I don't know. So maybe I'll just leave it on for a few hours. But I'm also unsure if it's just gonna come out or if it's gonna take multiple washes to come out. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted. So I'm not gonna end this vlog until tomorrow when I can kind of give you guys an update on whether or not it came out. So, you know what? Today is Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. So if all goes terrible, I'll tie my hair up again and just get through the work day and then like triple wash my hair tomorrow night, which I don't want to do. I feel like it's gonna be bad for my hair. Oh, on a brighter note, no, I do not wear glasses. I have 20/20 vision, thank you very much. But this is, or like, these are like the blue light glasses. Oh my god, I look so weird in glasses. No, okay. No, I'm never gonna show you that again. Out of just respect for your eyeballs, you know, because I don't even want to look in the mirror when I wear them, but I've been staring at a computer all day. It's like computer, iPad, or phone because I'm still working virtually. So it's kind of been hurting my eyes and I'm not trying to go blind. Like I was just saying, I've got 20/20 vision and I would like to keep that for as long as possible. So hopefully these bad boys are gonna help me accomplish that. So I just got them off of Amazon. They were like, I think like 18 bucks or something, but they had really good reviews. So I'm excited about that. I do have a few other updates. I recorded a vlog on Sunday and I've been trying to upload it. This is the third try. It keeps failing. And this particular vlog has several like links and stuff that I put in the description. And so I spent all this time writing it out, adding the tags, getting everything great. And then it just decides after hours of uploading, no, can no longer upload failed. Like you already said the upload was complete and you were just finishing processing. So what's the deal? And so one of them, it was like uploading, processing for 3 days. 3 days. So I'm over it. I'm so over it. It's doing it again. We're at 60%. It says there's like 2 hours left. Honestly, I just feel like it's gonna fail again because the last 2 times it failed. And I don't know what's going on with it. I had mentioned in a few vlogs ago, like I think it was my weekend, that I had gotten a new, little external battery, or no, external hard drive. There we go. And it's the same brand, same size, same everything, just different color as the one I've had before that I've done all my other videos with. So now I'm wondering if it's something going wrong inside the hard drive or what on earth is happening. But I'm really frustrated because I've spent hours trying to upload this thing and it's just dragging me crazy. Almost like these little hairs, everything's sticking up because it's so oily. It's just like wherever you put it, it stays. Okay, that's fine. You know, I'm just gonna tie it up again because I just can't even look at it. I'm gonna take you guys outside because one of the things I had talked about in this Sunday vlog that will not upload, hopefully it will so you can actually see what I'm talking about, but our AC, HVAC, whatever it is, that big old box outside pooped out. So we've been without air conditioning for, it will have been a week by the time it gets fixed, and it's really frustrating. I'll show you our current setup right now because it's not ideal. Okay, so here's the thing that broke. This thing is torn to shreds. Like, look at this. The previous owner, their dog, used this as a bathroom. Hi, honey. Hello, hunties. Hi, hunties. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hi, city girl. Hi, honeys. But because of that, this thing is toast. So here's the new one. Yeah, it's a 4-ton, which apparently this is. I have a lot of questions. Why is this one so freaking big? Can we just check out this size comparison? So I'm really worried about the fact that this pad overlaps our window. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to scoot it over so that it sits a couple more inches to the right for this big one here. And then I'm gonna be ordering this like cute little white privacy little fence thing to help cover it because this is going to be such an eyesore. And it's like right off the deck that you can see this. It's just, it's not okay. So I'm not down for the cause. So hopefully we can try to hide it. So one last update, our dog's life jackets, they came in, they're so cute. Hunter's is a shark and Sadie Girl is a mermaid. And it is so stinking cute. I will include pictures in here so you guys can see. You loved that, didn't you? Oh, so cute, they just stole my heart. They steal my heart every day though, let's be real. Okay, so I just put the Keratin oil on my hands. It smells like rosemary or something. Do you see how greasy they are? Oh my God. Oh my gosh, even just doing this, I feel like I'm putting canola oil. So this is the one. And again, this is not one I would recommend, but I have it, so let's use it, you know? Oh my God, this feels so awful. This feels so incredibly awful. Oh, I hate it. Oh, I'm hating it. I'm already deeply regretting this. Deeply regretting this. Oh. Have you ever wanted to know what it would feel like to bathe in oil? Oh my God, you can see how greasy and oh no. Okay, but we're gonna keep at it. Keep just coating the hair. You know what if tomorrow, after I wash it, my hair is just like so soft and glowy and pretty. And then all of a sudden this like becomes part of my like go-to beauty routine, like twice a month or something. That'd actually be really funny. Okay, so there is no way I could sleep with this. Like, I'm struggling to even keep it in my hair right now, and I'm not even done. So, I don't know. When do you stop? Like, when is enough enough? You know? Because I don't know. You know, I have, you know, I know, don't know. I've seen online, like people, oh my God, I just shot that on the wall. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to clean that. I had a little thing facing the wrong way. My bad. I've seen people do like olive oil, coconut oil, like hair masks. So maybe this is basically the same thing. I'm not really sure. Okay. Well, I feel like my hair is all coated. I guess I'm gonna tie it up and leave it. So I think I'm just gonna use a regular hair tie. Just, oh my God, the oil is dripping down the wall. This is gross. I need to clean that. Okay, so here's the fun bun. And I don't know, how long do you leave this? How long to leave in oil hair mask? Oh, it's a hair treatment. My bad, oil hair treatment, okay, not mask. One should massage the oil into the hair for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I spent like 5 minutes. Okay, and then leave it overnight. I don't want to do that. I really, really don't want to do that. Okay. So maybe I need to keep massaging 10 to 15 minutes. That's a long time. That's a long time, and a lot of like arm strength, you know? I don't think I want to do that. Wow, I thought it was coated before. It's now like, it feels like I've just put a bunch of like conditioner in my hair. I kind of like the feeling. Just gonna tie it up. Now for the extremely tasteful shower cap. That's what it's called, shower cap. Because of the bun, it looked like a cone head. Oh, this is it. This is the look. Susa. Okay, we're gonna end this clip. I'll show you afterwards because I actually don't want you staring at me like this. Okay, look away. So it's actually too funny. I had to just do a quick little snip. Woo! Now you guys have seen me at my finest. This bronzer's getting all patchy. I've got my shower cap. Now I've got these blue light glasses, but you see them bouncing off the light? You see that? Because I got my computer screen right here. Woo! 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 I'm out here setting fashion goals, y'all. Fashion goals. Watch, this is going catch trend. You just wait. Ta-da! All right, it is the next morning, and I wanted to show you guys my hair. So in the shower, I ended up doing 2 shampoo, conditioner, rinse, repeat, little cycle things. And it mostly came out. My hair is still a little heavy and I can tell that there's still some in it, but at least it looks clean. So you can't really tell. It just looks like I have some like heavier hair. So I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty shiny and I have like no flyaways, no like frizzies or anything like that. So overall, I'd say it worked out pretty well, but I think I'm gonna need to wash my hair again tonight to get the rest of it out. So I think ultimately it's gonna take 2 showers total to get it all out, but I'm actually really satisfied with the results. Overall, I think I would probably do it again. So I will link the oil below. So if you guys are interested in using it like that, but again, I would not recommend using this on a regular basis as like a daily keratin oil. Don't do it, don't do it. I would only recommend this for doing like a hair mask or something because it is just so heavy. Well, as you guys saw, my hair was so gross and oily yesterday. Ugh, ugh. Happy to just have like normal hair back. So yeah, I'm happy with this. All right, well, I'm going to get going with my day. Thank you guys so much for joining me and seeing how this accidental hair mask situation turned out. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting.